All right, ready for some more commands? Here we go. Let's do it. We got quite a few more that we can go through today. All right, first one we're going to do is called a clear command. See if we can get this right. We're going to clear Pelican Tacos, and we're going to clear him of buttons.
No, not the dreaded buttons.
Boom. He removed one item. Notice down in my inventory, it is now gone. That is pretty cool if you do not want people to grief in your land, so you can have that on an infinite loop, and that can go over and over again if you don't want someone to have like TNT. So you can continually run this over and over again. So it'll be in an infinite loop, and it'll clear this person of TNT. Well, I didn't have any because I'm not a griefer, man. I just don't do that. I don't hate like that. So you can do that. That's pretty cool. So that's a way to get rid of people actually coming in and blowing up your stuff. So that is pretty cool. You can clear the whole inventory. So if I just come in now and I clear Mr. Pelican Tacos, let's see, does this clear everything? Oh my goodness, you just removed 793 items from me. How could you do that? I griefed myself. I went back on myself. My goodness. Anyway. All right, another command that we have is default game mode. So do we want survival? Do we want creative, adventure, and so forth? So whatever the default game mode is, you come in, boom, the world's default game mode is now creative mode. So when people come in, they can be set to creative mode. All right, that's called the default game mode. Can also do this just with the normal game mode. I can change my own game mode. I can change it from survival, creative, adventure, and I can also just put an S or a C or an A, and I can give it a particular name. So if I want survival for Mr. Pelican Tacos, boom, I am now survival mode, and I'm getting hungry. I love me some chicken. All right, so you can do that to anyone as well. This gets kind of annoying because, you know, if you're playing with some friends and you throw them up in creative, hey, he's flying around, this is really cool, I'm in creative, and then all of a sudden you'd go in survival and be like, hey, Billy, you want me to put you into creative now or survival? And watch, you'll fall to your doom. All right, funny, haha, not really. All right, your friends get really annoyed with you, so don't do that. So you can change them to survival, change it to creative, and you can change anybody you want on the server. And since I'm playing all by myself today, boom, it's only Mr. Pelican Tacos. All right, let's change our time. Remember how to do that? Time set. Let's give it 0, 6 o'clock in the morning, early rising. And then also my game mode is also needing to be updated. So there we go. One more mention with this is you cannot enable or disable hardcore mode. That is out of the realm here, so sorry, can't do that. All right, another one we can do is what's called an effect. So just like a potion, we can also give a player an effect. So for example, I want it to be so that players in my world can't dig anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my game mode here real quick to survival, and then I'm going to give myself the effect of mining fatigue. And it's Pelican Tacos, so the arguments here are the name, the ID number for what you're actually going to do, and then the amount of time, at most, I believe, 1,000,000, and then the strength of it from 1 to 255. So boom, now I have given myself mining fatigue, and oh my goodness, I can't dig today because my pants are smoking. All right, so that's the idea. So there's mining fatigue. You can definitely check out a list there for different effects. But in order to get rid of it, this is actually pretty easy. You just do effect, give the guy the name, and then do clear, and boom, all my effects are cleared. Oh, look, and now I digged my block. Digged? Don't say that. Dug. All right, let's look at some more effects. All right, another cool one is give to Pelican Tacos is 8. 8's for your jump, and let's just do it for about 5 seconds, and we'll give us the super strength. Ready? Here we go. Oh, come on. Seriously? Okay, so it turns out 255 doesn't do it. You got to do a smaller number. Boom! There it is. And are we going to die? Let's change my game mode real quick so I don't die. Boom, there it is. So that effect was There it is, jumping 8, and for 5 seconds, give myself 100. Now 255 doesn't work, it's pretty much disabled. There's a couple others in that are disabled as well, but 33 is the instant death one, to where if I wasn't in creative, boom, I'd jump up, and I'd come back down, and if I was in survival, boom, I'd be toast. All right, look at all that dirt that's around me. So that's a really cool effect. That's the jump boost one. Okay, that's number 8. All right, one of the other ones is a very simple one. You just type in /seed, and it gives you the seed for this particular level. Another really cool one that came out in 1.7 is setblock. And this is pretty phenomenal, and I'm going to devote a video directly just to setblock because of the amount of information that you can do with that. But basically the idea here is that you can create a block wherever you are. So let's put a block 1 away. What do we want today? Powered comparator, cauldron. Let's put a cauldron there. All right, boom, there it is. So there's a cauldron. So notice what I did is I'm floating cauldron. Even scarier. All right, let's go back to that command real quick. So what it is, set block. Notice I've got the tilde there, 3 of them, tilde, tilde, tilde. I love saying that, saying it all day, tilde, all day. Anyway, but that's relative to your X and Y and Z position. So instead of giving the coordinates of that particular position, it goes into the place where I am. So come here and do it again. It's going to do it relatively 1 away, 1 up, and 1 over. So boom, there it is. Do it again, boom, there it is. So for example, if I wanted to place a command block down, this is another way to give yourself a command block. Boom, there's one in the air. All right, pretty powerful, and this is allowed for a lot of cool changes here in the next update. So pretty cool. All right, a couple other things we can do. We can set spawn point for a particular player. So Pelican Tacos, we're going to put it right here. Now this is where Pelican Tacos, you know what, let's see if this will work. No, it won't, so we need to turn our coordinates on. 1289, 4, 611. So what we're going to do is put in here 1289, 4, and 611. So now Mr. Pelican Tacos spawn point is there. You can also set default world spawn to the same point, 1289, 4, 611, boom. So now everyone's spawn point is right here next to my wonderful work of art of cauldrons. Nice. All right, one of the really cool things with this update is the summon command. And let's summon a creeper. And we're going to put him just 1 away here. And we're going to power him up. And this should put him in there as charged. Boom, object successfully summoned. But duh, we are in difficulty 1. Boom, so let's bring him back up. Boom, there he is, look at that. Lightning powered creeper, lightning powered creeper. Pretty awesome, huh? So that's a summon command. Let's see, there's a really cool one we can do here with the giant. Boom. Let's put him a little bit further away. Where is he? Oh my goodness, look at that, baby. What's up, giant zombie? And that's sweet. Really cool. Okay, so the summon command, just by far one of the most sweetest things. Really cool. You can do the Ender Dragon real quick. Ender Dragon, boom, there he is. All right, and he just is destroying everything. Are you gonna eat me, man? So pretty cool. So let's change it to peaceful real quick. Get him out of here because I'm scared. You're not gonna go away in peaceful? Seriously? Boom, I'll be back. All right, now that he is gone, sorry about that, but you can start summoning a whole host of things. So if you wanted to have animals riding, or skeletons riding on certain animals, you can, do a spider jockey, that kind of thing. Pretty darn cool. All right, let's do a skeleton horse. Ready for that? Boom, entity horse. Put him right where I am, and it is a type 4, I believe. Boom, and there it is. Oh, look at the nice skeleton horse. All right, another thing, again, you can put these in command blocks as well. So we're going to summon some powered creepers. Boom. Well, our game mode's got to be right. Our difficulty's got to be easy. Boom. So we hit this. Hey, powered creeper. Hey, powered creeper. Hey, powered creeper. There are 3 of you there. Boom! It's a powered creeper convention. It's CreeperCon, baby. All right. So there's that. Let's get them out of here. All right, and then the one that is used quite frequently is the beloved TP for teleport. So you can do teleport like that. Actually, you can't. You got to do TP. I thought you'd be able to do that, but no. So TP, we're going to teleport to Pelican Tacos. And this is pretty cool if you get stuck into a mine or something like that and you want to come up really, really far. You can just say, hey, I want to teleport out of the mine very quickly. Boom! And I teleport 50 up. All right. So again, with this is you put their name in there, and you can give specific coordinates as well. You can also give it into relative coordinates, like we talked about earlier. I want to do 10 away and 10 away. There. Boom. 10, 10, 10. Okay. Pretty cool with this is I've got a teleportation device right here. So here this repeats over and over again. And if I get close to it, it teleports me far away. Boom! Really far away. And it just will continue to do that over and over. You're going to want to see this. Look at my awesome devastation from the Ender Dragon there. That's sweet. So pretty cool. If you want to have people teleport away from you, you can do different, if you want to teleport, let's see if we can do all players. Move everybody 5 away. That moves everybody. You can teleport any of the people that are on the server there. Okay, so teleporting is really cool. Use that quite frequently. If you get stuck or if you're with a friend and you want to go over to a friend, you can just do, hey, teleport Pelican Tacos to, let's go to my wife, who's Gabrina. She's not here. Well, that player can't be found, but you can do that. And that's pretty awesome. All right. So that's it, huh? There's quite a few different commands that you can use. We didn't look at all of them. There are definitely some more that you could get in there, but look for setblock and summon and some of the other ones there that require a lot of work there. We can use those, and we'll have a video specifically set to those. So hope you enjoyed that video on more commands. Definitely use them to your advantage in your worlds that you're creating.